Tashtileg everyone, hi and welcome to my channel Truly Kunga. This is going to be my first vlog, and in this vlog I am going to answer some questions which will reveal how much Tibetan I am. So without any further delay, let us start. I hope you all will enjoy this video. Please watch till the end. I will be speaking in Tibetan as well as in English. The first question is my name. So, Nye Mingla Kunga Sirgiye. My name is Kunga. My age, I'm 29 years old. Nalo Nisagui, Nishisagui. Address is Gangtok, nga Gangtola Tegiye. The fourth question is my zodiac sign. My zodiac sign in Tibetan is Monkey. Nye Lopta Piu Teui. My hometown in Tibet. So my grandmother's home was in Shigatse. It's a town, you can say it's a city in Tibet. Nge Mome Nangni Shigasela. Then the next question is my schooling. Okay, so my schooling, I did all my schooling, my entire, right from LKG till 12, I did in Tibetan schools, which if I tell in Tibetan, Nge Lopchong Gangza Zinda LKG ne Zinda Chungi Padu Peshung Loptala Lopchong Chengi. Next question is my gurus. My gurus, as it is for all the Tibetans and even non-Tibetans, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, Yawakamapa, Sakya-Tizin, and all other revered gurus which we have in our Tibetan Buddhism. So, Nge Tsawe Lama ni Khonsa Chodang, Yawakamapa, Sakya-Tizin Tang, and other gurus in Tibetan Buddhism. Then my favorite Tibetan song is, there are many Tibetan songs which I like, but the recent one is sung by this amazing Tibetan singer called Kunsel. Her song is Thangbo Nangne Yongdu. So it's a beautiful number by Kunsel. Ni Shegashe Mangboye inai Thangbo Nangne. Thamja by Yonten. She's based in US. She's also a wonderful singer. I love Thamja as well as Thangbo Nangne Yongdu on the Kunsel Gitangre. So if I sing a little bit of this number, it goes like this. Thangbo Nangne Yongdu Lani ke la khata yo chu Ni pa chambala mo gyabdu Lani su kya ya che kimi do Pala mi chi te pe He sula che chi si chu Kyam gyi shinobu che du Lani mi chu rawa me pa sho so Kyam gyi shinobu che du Lani mi chu rawa me pa sho so. So I really love this song, and what this song means is that there are a lot of things, but one line which means Kyamgyo Ishinobu Jedu. When I got to see His Holiness the Dalai Lama, 14th Dalai Lama, I had tears which ran out of my eyes uncontrollably, okay, out of control. So yes, the next question is favorite Tibetan dress. There are many, and I think this is one of my favorite Tibetan dresses. A shirt worn by men called Hendas. And yeah, this is one of my favorites. Our identity, right? Then favorite Tibetan food. Kala Shimshe Di Khari Lana. My favorite Tibetan food is okay, I will say it's making me think. Okay, I don't know, I'm getting confused. Mm, it could be Thukpa. Okay, so I'll say Thukpa. Then, okay, or for that matter, even Champa. The next question is favorite Tibetan drink. Favorite Tibetan drink is butter tea, chapheja. No, butter tea. It's a specialty, a Tibetan specialty, a Tibetan drink which includes butter and salt. Though it's a tea, but it has butter and salt in it. So that makes this drink different from the rest of the drinks available all over the world, right? Then the next question is my favorite Tibetan word. Um, I speak Tibetan very little because of the surrounding, being surrounded by other people of Sikkim. Yet I do try to speak Tibetan with people who know Tibetan language, and the word which I use most or favorite Tibetan word, I don't know. I use a lot of words, but let's say Ningdu can be my favorite Tibetan word, which means sweetheart. Ningdu. Next question is favorite Tibetan artist. There are lots of Tibetan artists who are doing really well all over the world, locally, globally, nationally. My favorite Tibetan artists are Sonam Topden, Quincel, Mariko, and there are many others. Even Tipchik and Yonten and many others who are coming up and really doing well for themselves as well as for the entire Tibetan community. Next question is favorite Tibetan place in exile and in Tibet. So in exile, it is undoubtedly Dharamshala or Dharamsala, because it is called Little Lhasa, Little Tibet. Our central Tibetan administration, Tibetan government in exile is located in Dharamsala, and the most important reason being His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama's residence is also in Dharamsala. Yes. After that, Dharamsala is my favorite Tibetan place in exile. I would also love to visit Belakopi and some other Tibetan settlements around the world. Then Delhi is also a special Tibetan settlement, Majnu Katila, a special Tibetan place, Tibetan settlement, which makes you feel that you are amongst your own people. Yeah. So the next question, okay, the other question was favorite Tibetan place in Tibet. Favorite place in Tibet, it has to be undoubtedly be Lhasa, because it's the capital of Tibet. It has the beautiful, majestic Potala Palace, which is the winter palace of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So yes, I would love to visit Tibet, and especially Lhasa in the future. So the next question is favorite Tibetan symbol. There are many Tibetan symbols like the 5 prayer flags, which we called 5 different colored prayer flags, which we call lungta. There are many Tibetan symbols, but my favorite has to be the Tibetan national flag, Högaltar, which is really beautiful, and it symbolizes our country's separate identity and independence in the past. Then the next question is favorite Tibetan musical instrument. It can be the piwang and also lingbu, which means flute. Next is favorite Tibetan movie. It's been a really long time since the last time I watched a Tibetan movie. So my favorite Tibetan movie is the movie which was based on football, and how Tibetan monks living in exile are very crazy about it. I think the name of the movie was The Cup, if I'm not wrong. Then the next question is favorite Tibetan animal. There are many, like the Tibetan panda, black and white, and even the mythological creature, Tibetan creature, which is the snow lion, right? It's not real, but it's a Tibetan fictional animal. Yes. Then the next question is Tibetan occasion. Favorite Tibetan occasion is, of course, Tibetan New Year Losar, and His Holiness the Dalai Lama's birthday Thungkar, and also Tibetan Democracy Day, Mangzo Thuchen, because His Holiness the Dalai Lama established democracy in exile in India thanks to the Indian government. Next question is favorite place in exile. Okay, with this I've answered. Favorite Tibetan quote is Pen Mathona Numake, which means if you can't help others, at least refrain from harming them, or don't harm them if you can't help them. The second last question is, okay, this is done. And the last question is Tibetan superstition. Superstition, I think we have a superstition in our Tibetan tradition which says that we shouldn't travel on Saturdays, or we shouldn't give money on Saturdays, like khajana ngudi tenayang lakbalong ngudei maredo, yeah, like then the money will not stay with you, you'll have to keep on spending, something like that. So with this I have come to the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed my conversation with you all, my video. These things reveal how much Tibetan I am. I'm proud being a human first, then a Tibetan, but definitely I am a very proud Tibetan. And yes, with this I want to end my vlog. This is my first vlog. I'll try to vlog in the future with some more interesting content. If you guys liked this video, then do like, comment, give your feedback, share, and do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Please support me and help me grow in my journey as a YouTube vlogger. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you in my next vlog.